Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Z, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a cable, the Type-C that you use for charging. Plug it into your computer and have it ready somewhere on the side. So from there you want to power off your device, so hold the power key and select power off. And once the device shuts off, we then want to hold volume down. So let's just flip it on the side. So hold volume down, and while holding volume down, you want to plug it in. And there we go. We're now in the Fastboot mode. I'm gonna unplug it just so I can stand it up straight, so you can see it better. And you can see Fastboot mode. So that is how you'd access this mode. And if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is then hold volume down and power key. So volume down and power. And hold it till the screen turns off. So right about now. And it automatically turns back on afterwards. So let's just wait for it to boot back up into the Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.